Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. Today we will study the logic gate. Logic gate are also very important microcontroller programming. Let's start the video. Introduction. A logic gate is a circuit with one or more input voltage but only one output voltage. The logic gate are fundamental building blocks of the digital system. NOT, OR and AND gate are the basic types of gates. The interconnection of the gates to perform a variety of the logic operation is called logic design. A truth table lists all possible combination of the inputs and outputs. Binary logic. Microcontroller and microprocessor use the binary number because the two voltage level can represent as two digits 0 and 1. Signal in digital electronics have two voltage level. For example, a system may define 0 volt as logic 0 and 5 volt as logic 1. In digital electronics, any voltage between 0 to 0.9 it represents as logic 0, and any voltage between 3 to 5 it represents as logic 1. AND gate. The logic AND gate has two or more inputs and one outputs. The gate used in this example has only two inputs. A logic 1 will appear on its output only if both inputs A and B are driven high. The table on the right shown mutual dependence between the inputs and output. Here is the symbol of the AND gate. It has two inputs and one outputs. If both inputs are 0, output is 0. If any of the input is 0 or 1, output is 0. And if both inputs are 1, output is 1. OR gate. OR gate also has two or more inputs and one output. If the gate has only two inputs, a logic 1 will appear on its output if either inputs A or B is driven high. If all inputs are 0, the output will be at 0 logic. Here is the symbol of the OR gate. Here is its truth table. If both inputs are 0, output is 0. If any of input is 1, the output is 1. NOT gate. The logic gate NOT has only one input and one output. It operates in an exactly simple way. When logic 0 appear on its input, a logic 1 appear on its output and vice versa. It means that this gate invert the signal and it often called inverter. Here is the symbol of the NOT gate. It has only one input and one output. If you give him 0, its output appear on 1, and if its input is 1, output is 0. Exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate is a bit complicated comparing to the other gates. It represents a combination of all of them. A logic 1 appear on its output only one its input have a different logic. This is the symbol of the exclusive OR gate. When its A and B inputs has 0, the output is 0, but any of the input is 1, it will give us output 1. And when both inputs are 1, its output is also 0. NAND gate. The NAND gate function like an AND gate with an inverter on the output. A logic 1 will appear on its output if any input A and B is driven low. Here is the symbol of the NAND gate. That is same as the AND gate, but there is an inverter in its output. You can see here is the inverter, and this inverter invert the output. If both input are 0, the output is 1. If both input are 1, output is 0. If any of the input is 1 or 0 or 0 1, the output is 1. NOR gate. The NOR gate function like an OR gate with an inverter on the output. A logic 1 will appear on its output if both inputs A and B are driven low. Here is the symbol of the NOR gate, and here is the inverter, and this inverter invert the output. If both inputs are 0, the output is 1. If any of the input is 0 or 1, output is 0.